Alex says, Bradley, with your topical rebuilds, are you only linking to the money site once from each site? Yes. If so, how can we track this when ordering from our own from you? Seems wasteful when we could link multiple money pages if we have a ton of good content on these rebuilt sites. Well, the rebuilds are single page HTML sites. So that's why, right? Which, by the way, if you think that's a waste of money to buy single page HTML rebuilds, don't buy them. Doc, it hurts when I do this. Don't do that. You know what I mean? Like it's that simple. The reason why we do HTML rebuilds is because it satisfies page level relevance and domain level relevance in one fell swoop. And it focuses 100% of the link equity and topical relevance to the whatever external URLs are in that single page HTML site. So you're focusing all that relevance and link equity to whatever target URLs you have in there. So we typically stick with, we allow or will include up to 2 links in an embed or 3 links, either 2 links in an embed or 3 links into one HTML rebuild. An anchor text link to the money site. We don't do embeds of the money site at all anymore, period. Okay. Not within rebuilds or niche relevant links or anything else. We'll do embeds in branded entity assets, the money site into branded entity assets, but we don't embed the money site in external properties anymore at all. Okay. Because I've seen it cannibalize. I've seen external properties cannibalize the money site, G sites in particular, actually. Well, I'll still embed the money site in the G site, but I've seen rebuilds, HTML rebuilds where, because the domain was clean and powerful, and then we embed the money site in it, and it literally replaces the money site in the search result with the rebuild domain, because the money site's still in, it's just now inserted into that domain, right, as an iframe, if that makes sense. And I've seen that happen. So we don't do that anymore at all. We just do anchor text links to the money site, an anchor text link or an embed with the Google business website. And then the Google map is almost always a map embed. Occasionally we will do a link. For subscriber clients, we'll do a CID link with a brand anchor. But for most of the time, if we're going to do a link to a map, it's going to be the map share URL. We don't push link equity that way. I get it. It's a 302 redirect, but it's not about that. It's about having a natural looking link profile, right? So anyway, if you're looking for, if you buy rebuilds from me, guys, by the way, like we will publish the site and host it. If you want the site, if you want us to send you the HTML files, it's your money, man. Just request it. We'll send you the HTML files and you can do whatever you want with it. We'll build the one single page HTML site. And if you think that's a waste of money, first of all, don't buy it, or ask us to send you the HTML files and you can host them yourself. And then you can go in and add as many pages until your heart's content. That's entirely up to you. It's perfectly fine. But we do it the way that we do it because it works. If we also build out niche blogs and local blogs, et cetera. And we'd encourage you to do the same. And by the way, I teach exactly how to do everything that we teach, that I sell at Semantic Links, is all taught in our mastermind. Every part of it. Like, I don't hide it all, guys. I'm an open book in the mastermind. So you want to learn how we hunt down domains and how we host them and what we kind of content we put on them and how we link out, all of that. It's all taught in the mastermind. So Alex, I'm just saying that to you because, again, if you don't think that my particular process is the best, which is fine, it's perfectly fine. I don't expect everybody to agree with me. Then come at least learn how I do my methods, and then you can modify them to make it your own. Right? That's what I recommend anybody do with SEO. Learn until you get an understanding of something, and then develop your own flavor. You know what I mean? So anyway, there you go. Not trying to talk you out of it, Alex. What I'm trying to explain to you is I think we still use HTML rebuilds for all of our clients because it is good. It adds link type diversity and it's focused equity and relevance, right? So they are very powerful when used properly.